Hello everyone, this is Kim Q. I'm so happy to see you again. In this video, welcome back to my video. Today, I'd like to talk about rich dogs. When wealthy people pass away, they usually leave instructions for what to do with the money or property that they leave behind. Often, the money and property go to their heirs. However, in some cases, rich pet owners leave their wealth to their pets after they die. For example, there is a poodle named Toby. When this poodle's owner passed away, she left Toby £15 million, about $25 million. Then there is Blossie, a yellow lab mutt, who is not only rich, but is also famous. In 2001, Blossie made the headlines after she rescued her own. The actress Drew Barrymore and Drew's husband from a house fire. To thank Blossie, Drew gave her house to Blossie. Of course, Drew repaired the fire damage first. Now, Blossie is the owner of a beautiful $3 million home. It may seem strange for a dog to own such an expensive home, but Flossie is not the only dog like that. Gunther the Fourth, a German Shepherd, bought his home from Madonna and paid over $7 million for the house. However, this was no big deal for him because Gunther the Fourth has about $200 million. This makes him the richest dog in the world. He inherited the money from his father, who was the heir to the fortune of a German countess. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Good luck for you.